If this video helps you any, please like this video so we know that you like the content, and we'll be able to get some more videos like this on. And please subscribe to the channel so you'll be alerted when more videos are uploaded. Also, if you're looking for any specific firearm to be disassembled and reassembled, leave a comment below and we'll see if we can get it uploaded and online. Alright, we got the SIG P365 with us today. We're going to break it down and then reassemble it. It is actually fairly easy to disassemble. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lock this slide back. Now it's already been checked, it's clear. Nothing in the magazine well, nothing in the chamber. Now I'm going to take this little lever right here and I'm actually going to turn it clockwise, basically straight down. Alright, so I've got it turned straight down. I'm going to release the slide forward. You watch it, it goes right off. Now this is totally disassembled for basic cleaning. The slide assembly, what we're going to do is we're going to take the spring and rod and we're going to push forward, pull up, pull out. So forward, up, wiggle it, get it out. And the barrel, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to push forward, up, and out. And that is total field strip. This is all we need to a basic cleaning. And we're going to put it back together. So we're going to take the barrel and go opposite. We're going to kind of angle it in all the way forward, pull it back, make sure it seats in. Now the spring, the large portion goes toward the front. If you can see the difference, you got the larger portion and it goes up toward the front and it seats down into the little hole, a little slot right there. We're going to seat it and then we're going to push it. And if you can see, it's got the two steps. It's got one step and then it's got a second step to where you can see that little round bevel in it, and that's where your spring sits into, down on that second step. So we'll push it in and you're going to probably want to hold the slide, the barrel back as you push it and just seat it. See if we can get a good picture of that down in that second step. That's kind of hard to see, but it's on the second step. Make sure it's down on that second step. Alright, now to put it back together, we're basically going to do the same thing. I'm going to push this back forward. As I assemble it, we're going to hit it down in the little grooves with the rail right there, if you can see it sliding in. Now when it goes back, what we're going to do is we're going to pull it all the way to the rear, and when we pull it all the way to the rear, you're going to hear that click back around. If you don't pull it all the way to the rear, it will not click. It will still be, it'll still look something like that. But once you pull it all the way back to the rear, it will click back in place just like that. And that is fully reassembled. Give it a few racks, pull the trigger, rack, trigger, and that's good to go. That is the SIG P365. Thanks for checking out our video. If you would, if you're local to the Anderson, South Carolina area, we teach concealed weapons classes on a monthly basis. Check us out at www.defensetraining.org. If you're not local to us, we also make holsters. defensetraining.org/holsters. We make ambidextrous in the waistband holsters at this point. Check us out and thanks for watching.